In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can use focus budgeting and forecasting to create some simple calculations to help you budget quickly and easily. I've got my truck servicing. I know that it costs $2,000 to service a truck. I then want to spread my different truck servicings out across the year so I can see exactly when those costs are going to arise within my organization. So to do that within Focus, I click on the plus sign against truck servicing and I select my working line. I select it once more and I then type in the different variables that I've got. Firstly, we've got number of trucks. Secondly, we've got cost per service. So with our two lines filled out, I can then go and say, well, in January, I'm getting 2 trucks serviced and the cost per service is $2,000. So we know that that's $4,000 in total servicing. So what I want to do is in my total line at the top here, I'm just going to click equals and I'm going to say it's the number of trucks by clicking in that cell times by the cost per service. You'll see that is a very familiar way to build that equation. Once I'm happy with that, just hit enter and you'll see we've got a little formula built into that cell there. So all I need to do now is right click in my total cell there, select copy forward, right click in my cost per service cell and then copy that forward. And then just go through and say, well, in February, I've only need to service 1 truck. In March, I've got 0 trucks to service. In April, though, I've got 3 which are due, etc., etc. And fill that out. And as you'll see, as we do it, our budget automatically updates for our truck servicing as a total there. So that's how we can build simple calculations within Focus budgeting and forecasting. Thanks for watching.